Babycakes CP12 Cake Pop Maker. If you like the Babycakes brand, then you probably know already that they have a few different cake pop makers out there at the moment, so it can be a little hard to know which one you should buy. If you are looking for the best Babycakes cake pop maker, then consider the Babycakes CP12 Cake Pop Maker. This one comes in a purple color and a very affordable price. You pay less than $20 for this cake pop maker, yet it delivers an outstanding performance that gives you the ability to bake cake pops at any time. The compact size of the product also makes it more portable, allowing you to take the appliance with you on your travels. Along with the cake pop maker machine, you also get a fork tool, a cake pop stand, as well as 50 sticks that you can use to start making cake pops right away. The package also comes with a convenient range of recipes that you can try out to serve up deliciously impressive cake pops, not only to yourself, but to your kids, family members, and of course, to impress your guests.